This ECLA support guide will show you how to walk early learning programs through the Colorado Shines and EC Connect quality improvement applications. The guide will demonstrate what the early learning programs logging into Colorado Shines portal and updating the profile information and applying for QI will look like. However, it will show you from the perspective of a QI navigator who can log in to the back end of Sugar, find the account that they're looking for, the provider, and then through their QRIS applications, by clicking on to dashboard, you can see what the provider will see. The first step is to update the provider's profile on the left-hand side. You can click the edit button here to update any relevant information that's changed. It's very important that you have the correct director's contact information in here, and this will come in handy later. Once done, go ahead and click Save. Next, we're going to click the Application tab to start or continue working on the provider's QI application. The Application Progress tab over here, this panel on the right-hand side, will show you the status of each of the 5 sections of the application. Reading through and answering the questions and clicking Save, panel by panel and tab by tab, the provider will complete their universal QI application. It's important that 100% of the staff of the program are registered in the PDIS system by September 15th of 2015. Once that's done, you can click Get Staff from PDIS and it will populate for you. The Classrooms tab works a little bit differently, and there are detailed instructions at the top of the screen which you can use. It's very important that this information is correct. The number of classrooms and the ages served are often used to drive minimum QI and coaching allocations, so please make sure that the provider takes their time and completes this section correctly. There's a checkbox at the top of each tab in the application. Once completed, it's critical that you check that box or have the provider check that box. And then once all 5 sections are complete, you can click on Submit or Resubmit Application. Once the application is complete, the provider can now apply for quality improvement funding. This process works by clicking on the Quality Improvement tab and then on the QI Incentives tab underneath there. It takes a moment for this screen to load, so thank you for your patience in advance. Once the screen does load, you'll see a description of the services and resources available to this provider. Once you've read through, check the box at the bottom to confirm that all the information for the provider is current and correct. You can also see all the programs for which the provider is eligible. And once you've confirmed that all the information is correct or the provider has confirmed that, you can click on Renew or Apply. It's important to read the text on this screen that explains how to use the online funding application. Once you've read through the information, click Next and Save in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. On this screen, you'll be able to apply for or renew all funding applications by clicking on Apply or Renew All at the top of this list. You'll need to answer all of the questions in the application and then click on Next and Save. Here are the questions that are mandatory on the application that are in red, and then you can click on Next and Save. When you come to the Site Profile tab, the Early Learning's primary contact or director will be pre-populated here from that first step when we edited the program profile. You can either confirm that the information is correct and accurate, or you can choose a different primary contact if that's appropriate. Once you're done, you can click Next and Save, and when the application is complete, you can click Submit. Thank you for listening to this tutorial. As always, you can contact us at support@eclacolorado.org or visit our website at support.eclacolorado.org. Thank you for your time.